Welcome to again my YouTube channel. So my one of my friend asking me, being Tenu English please English using on this Eat Repeat game. How to be completed to be this is first level. So I am telling you something everything truly, and just I request to you be carefully completely watching my video and don't skip this video. If you skipping now, so you can't understand anything. So just I tell you, I request to you, please completely watching my video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. So guys, like with this application, this be collect multiple words. So just I tell you everything be truly, just only focus on this video and what I am saying to you. So just I request you, please be carefully completely watching this video and you will be understand everything. So my dear friends, like be this game like be also to be updated now. So just I request you be carefully watching now and I update it, and just I will become and tell you how to be completed to be fast that this game. Okay, so let's start. So guys, listen me, many of people can't understand how to be playing this game, how to be completed to be this depth. So I will be tell you completely watching this video and don't to be skip this video, and I will be teach you how to be completed to be fast it should be depth. So let's start. So guys, listen me, because I will be helping to you be carefully completely watching this video, and I will be completely helping to you when you will be starting this game. So many of tricks like me I will teach you how to be completed to be these depths. Okay, so first of all I tell you everything be truly, and like me I show you how to be completed to be this game depths. People can't understand sometimes, so but I tell you everything to be truly, and many people like me follow my steps and then he completed to be that easily on this game. So I hope you always also to be like be uh, okay. So you checking x5, I will be clicking on x5 x3. So guys, listen me, you checking how to aim completely to be this the like be meter, you checking like be when I starting 23 to 27 like my coins. So I will be click on x5, so you will be checking 1.10.6k I have coin. So this time you will be when you will be starting this game, and you will be like be starting this game and using like be x5 x4 x3 x3 option using now, because this is so benefit for you, and like we give you more or like big coins. Okay, you check x4 x3 x. So next I will be tell you something like the more foods, you checking on more foods. So I will be purchasing more food, you checking 44, you checking 44, and you, so this mean like we I'm be like be you check 136, oh sorry, no problem, it's okay. But like you if you have like the more food, so this mean like you more will be earn queen. So if you small like be little like be you have sorry, like be more food, so then this mean like be you not much earn queen, because more foods like be more benefit. So I'm sorry for, because sometime my mobile so much hanging now, this for I'm sorry. So checking now. So you checking now like the I'm be completed over use checking now 44 food I will be see, and this is my coins like the 2922 I claim now, and you will be using option like the x3. If I watching x3 like the one of ads, so this mean like the 60 like the 60 61 like the 0.920. So I will be receive my coins. So x3 x4 x option don't to believe no, because this is so. So last option I will be telling you to you like the offline earning. Please I will be request to you, you will be buy to offline minutes. This game like the offline minutes so much important for you. Why? Because if you want to be purchasing offline earning, so then like the minutes, sorry, so this mean like be you will be offline earning or no. earning this mean like the 180 minutes like the after 3 hours maximum you equal now see. So this 180 minutes to equal 3 hour. So if you can't playing this 3 hour playing this game but you have internet data on no, so then you will be easily completed to be million of coin like be you will be earn no. So this so much big benefit like be offline earning. And I hope you will be enjoy my video, and please I request to you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm so helping to you, and I hope you will be understand now, and thank you for you supporting me and like my videos.